Guys, welcome to the first video of my channel, and today we'll be doing the unboxing of Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So let's start this video without wasting any more time. So this is the box of Motorola Edge 30 Pro. I must say this is a well polished box, not like the quirky ones which Motorola used to come up with. So let's open the box, and after opening here we see the phone itself. So I'll just unwrap the phone from the plastic film here. And please ignore the noises coming because this is my first video and I don't have such good mic presence here. And you get to see the transparent back case, the Motorola charger of 68 watt, that's a C2C cable, and that's all you get in the box. So let's talk about the design first. So the Motorola Edge 30 Pro comes with the frosted glass finish. The phones which are coming around 80,000, 90,000, those have the same type of glass back, and yeah, it also has the IP52 water resistant mark. That means that you can use this in water up to a certain range, and you have to search around Google and see how much IP52 resistant gives you, and then you get the dust repellent body. So yeah, that's too good for a 50,000 phone, because I've been using the OnePlus right now, but still there are some problems in the OnePlus. You don't get the water resistant mark in many OnePlus phones. And as we had expected, due to its 8 Gen 1 processor and 50,000 mark, it also doesn't have the 3.5mm headphone jack, so thereby you need to use those Type-C converters to use your headphones, or just buy a Bluetooth earphone. I will give some links in the description if you want to go through them. So this phone comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 144Hz, and that's really great because it also has the HDR10 Plus support. Considering the price point, I must say that this is a great phone with a great body build. Here it's a bit of preview for you all if you want to see how the display performs. It also has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, so yeah, if you drop the phone from a certain height, you would still be able to use it. It won't be broken that easily. Considering the performance, it has the best right now available from Snapdragon, the 8 Gen 1 processor. That's a 4nm processor, and you can get the best out of it, though there are some throttling issues right now going through the Snapdragon processors, but still I would tell that this is the best from Snapdragon offerings. Also comes with the LPDDR5X RAM management, so yeah, you can play games like Genshin Impact or BGMI, PUBG, New State, anything you want more easily on this phone. Causes the 8 Gen 1, the flagship processor, the 8 series processor, the always flagship one. So I must say the performance level, it hits hard, although there are some throttling issues. So I must say that if Snapdragon improves those things, this would be a great performance phone. Then there's the battery. It has a 5000 mAh battery. To be very specific, it's 4800, not 5000 totally. But it comes with a 68 watt fast charger, I must say. So yeah, you can charge the phone within 5 to 10 minutes to 50%. Talking about the cameras, this comes with triple 50 megapixel camera. The ultra wide, the macro, and the main sensor all are 50 megapixels. And so yeah, as considered, the ultra wide would also take some good photos, the macro would also take some good photos, and the main sensor will always take good photos. That's what it means to be triple camera. And the front, you get 60 megapixel camera, although like I am a bit shocked seeing that the front camera resolution is like 60 and the back camera is 50. So but yeah, it's okay. Like if the camera is performing well, then there's nothing with the pixels at all. Like we have seen in the iPhones, like they give 12 megapixel cameras and still they take photos like hell. Like the night shots are more than anything else. The video shots are nicer than any other phone. So here are some shots I'm showing you on the screen. If you like the phone, you can go and buy it from the description box below, and you can like the video if you're enjoying the video up until now. So I must say the camera performance is more than enough for a 50,000 phone. I've seen many 50,000 phone performing like nothing. So yeah, coming from Motorola with such a good performance and such a good price point, I must say that the photos are looking great, as well as in night and day performances. So yeah, for the camera, it's an A+ for me. Talking about the price point of this phone, it came out at 50,000 rupees, and I must say, including the 8 Gen 1 processor, the AMOLED display, the 144Hz display, and the performance, the battery, this is a great phone for considering. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with the next video very soon, and up until then, keep enjoying, stay safe, stay home, and goodbye.